10 July 1856.
A woman named Zuka Mendik was giving birth to her child at Croatia during a lightning storm. Midway through the birth, the midwife declared the lightning a bad omen and said, "This child will be a child of darkness." In reply, Zuka Mendik said, "No, he will be a child of light." Who would have thought that few years later, that child will become the father of electricity? Not only that, with 300 plus patents, that child earned his name in the history book as the greatest inventor of all time. Nikola Tesla was the name of that child. The alternating current which we are using at home, the induction motor, which is one of the most important invention in modern history, neon lamps, which are the mostly widely used as a visual indicators in electronic equipments and appliances. Due to their low power consumption and low life, and many more such things has been discovered by Nikola Tesla. We were taught in school that Thomas Edison as the inventor of electric bulb, Marconi as the inventor of radio, and Roentgen as the inventor of X-ray. But in reality, all of these inventions were done by Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla should be taught about in school for his invention instead of the people who stole his ideas like Marconi and Edison. Many of his ideas remained in his notebooks because of lack of funds. Just imagine how the world would have looked like today if Nikola Tesla were a billionaire. With frustration in his last letter to his mother, Tesla wrote, "I wish I could be beside you now, mother, to bring you the glass of water. All these years I have spent in the service of mankind brought me nothing but insults and humiliations." That's why everyone says he was the poem, but the world couldn't read it. Unfortunately, we live in the world where the last breath of Thomas Edison was preserved by Nikola Tesla's lab was burned. That's it from this one. See you soon in the next one. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notifications. Thank you.